Hi, welcome back. We received this beautiful quartz slab and I wanted to share a little bit about it with you. Calacatta Arno quartz is a beautiful marble look Calacatta quartz that features a warm white backdrop enhanced by thin gray veins highlighted in lovely gold accents. Unlike natural marble that succumbs to water spots and stains, the white coloring on this engineered surface will stay bright thanks to the non-porous surface. Feature the marble-inspired quartz as a countertop in any kitchen, bathroom, or bar. Accentuate the gold details further by pairing the elegant quartz with gold or brass fixtures or other furnishings. Contact us today for a countertop installation estimate using this beautiful stone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.